Munini wa President William Ruto ni ataririe ati thirikari ni ikoretwo igikirira hari kurua na ungumania na koria honge ingĩ onacio inyite itemi. Oigite ati akenya aingi makoretwo makinyarirwo ni andu mari na ugi muingi na macungiririo magatunywo indo ciao.
Corruption and theft undermines our competitiveness, derails all our programs and policies.
Ruto ni athiete na mbere na kuga ati maabitha othe a thuguri magireirwo ni gukua mitharaba yao riria manyitikana na mahitia.
The law now gives responsibility to the accounting officer and they will be held individually accountable for loss, mismanagement or theft.
Ni oigite ati gutire kambuni igwitikirio kuruta wira wao guku bururi-ini wona cianyitikana na mahitia ma ungumania.
If their staff participate in corruption, those companies will be blacklisted so that they don't do business with government, and I hope the private sector will also blacklist them so that they don't do business with the private sector as well.
Miarino ne nyitetwo baru ne governor wa Kwale Salim Mvurya.
I know the corruption is a big challenge in our country, but where also we've made successes, we also need to celebrate progress and also document our milestones so that we can then see the gaps that we need to address in the future.
Riayo mekwaragia mucemanio-ini wa kiama kia mawakili uriotafaneirio mwena wa Kwale. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Wanjiku.